If you already use Slack as your communications hub at work, you know how frustrating it can be to have to search for tasks or work in separate systems. That's why Process Street's Slack app lets you manage your workflows directly in Slack. You can be chatting to your team 1 second, then switch channels to complete a task, finish a checklist, and approve their work seamlessly. For example, let's say that you have a team meeting checklist to follow, but often forget to use it while you're on the call. No more. Set up the checklist on a schedule in Process Street, assign yourself, then simply click the link that gets sent to you via our Slack app at the start of your meeting. Colleagues keep forgetting to book time off? Run your holiday leave application process at the start of every month, with each team member being assigned to their own task. That way, every last one of them will get a notification in Slack, and they can fill in any time off requests there and then without leaving their team chat. With Process Street's automations, you can supercharge your workflows even further. For example, a sales proposal checklist could automatically pull information from Salesforce to save you the task of data entry. The Slack app will then ping the person who's automatically assigned to that checklist. In this instance, a sales manager will receive their approval task in Slack, which they can work through at their computer, from their phone, or anywhere they can access Slack. The list goes on. Start using your processes in a way that seamlessly fits into the way you already work. Sign up for a free trial at www.process.st.